Hello, my friends. Would you like to practice some sounds with me today? I want to practice those sounds that the letter M makes and the letter N makes. Can my friends take 3 fingers and make the letter M? And can you put your lips together and say mmm? Good job, my friends. Let me hear you say it louder. Can you say mmm? Good job. Can we go mmm? Good job, my friends. Is that so silly? All right, let's try some M words like mama. Can my friends say mama? Can my friends say muffin? Muffin. Can my friends say mailman? Mailman. Can my friends say milk? Milk. Can my friends say mitten? Mitten. Good job, my friends. Can we try the letter N now? I want you to put your tongue behind your front teeth like this. And I want you to say mmm. Good job. Try again, my friends. Put your tongue behind your 2 front teeth and say mmm. Say mmm. Is that so silly, my friends? All right, let's practice some N words now. Some words that start with the letter N. Let's say nap time. Newport. Nana. And nose. Thank you for practicing some sounds with me today, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you later. Bye.